Did you know that you can make pictures with a 16:9 image aspect ratio with your Olympus? Hi, I'm Peter Forsgaard, Olympus visionary from Helsinki, Finland. Default image aspect ratios in Olympus cameras is 4:3. The traditional ratio is 3:2, so the 4/3 is a little more towards a square. The other options are 16:9, 3:2 and a square. If you're using JPEG, then the image aspect cannot be changed afterwards. If an image is taken as a square in JPEG, it will be a square. If making images in RAW mode, the aspect ratio can be changed in post. For example, Lightroom shows the aspect ratio of 6:9 photo as it was taken. But by clicking the crop tool, you can change that. With JPEG it's not possible. In OMD EM1 Mark II you can find image aspect in shooting mode 1. I will put a link in the description where you can find info how it's changed in other Olympus OMDs. Changing the aspect ratio is very handy if you want to make a square image for Instagram. Just change the aspect ratio to 1:1 in the menu. You see the exact composition in your viewfinder, but if you later want to use the same image in a YouTube video with aspect ratio of 16:9, it will be no problem. This was the 5th episode on my series of videos using Olympus. After you have subscribed to my channel, then watch the previous episode if you haven't seen them yet. Thanks for watching and bye for now.